I do. Snap, puppies. Sappy gooey goo gooey.
Hey. 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 The way we get loose, we move our shoulders. Hands back, get a little show like Jack. Get it on the floor, let me know what's happening. How I know you better ask somebody. Popping on my carpet, but let's ride it.
There once was a puppy named Fatty Miss Fat Apple.
I want a pee burger.
One day he met a friend named Bob.
Hi, Bob. What did you do today, Bob? What did you do today, Bob? What did you do today?
That you only meant well, cause you did, what you say, that it's all fun.
So Bob was dead. Anyways,
I killed him.
then he wanted some candy.
I want some candy.
So Bob, as a ghost, came back for his revenge and gave him some candy.
Candy. Candy's broken.
So his plan didn't work exactly. So anyways, the next day,
He was feeling his fat.
he was feeling his fatness, and then he had a seizure. He exploded.
Exploding is bad.
The end. Explain to me how spinning around naked is sexual.